The future of web design is here, and it's called Divi 5 Public Beta. It's faster, smoother, and packed with next-gen features. This isn't just an update, it's a full rebuild. But what about the existing sites on Divi 4? Well, don't worry, we got your back with a rock-solid migration path and backward compatibility system that no other builder ever attempts. And in this video, we are going to walk you through each and every step of migrating safely, what happens behind the scenes, and when is the perfect time to make the jump. So ready to upgrade without the stress? Then let's dive in. Now if you want to deep dive in this topic and learn everything step by step, we have created a complete blog post that we are going to link in the video description below. So once you're done with this video, I would highly recommend that you go ahead and check out our blog post. I'm sure you will find it really helpful. Now let's start with what actually happens when you migrate. Now the Divi 5 Migrator doesn't just swap files. It runs a full compatibility scan across your entire site, checking every single module, page and template. A fully supported element like core Divi module are converted from Divi 4 shortcode format to Divi 5 serialized system. All your designs, settings and content stay pixel perfect. But here is the magic. Any unsupported module like third-party extension get wrapped in a backward compatibility layer. They keep running exactly as before using the Divi 4 framework. No broken layouts, no lost functionality. Pages with mixed content load both systems side by side until everything fully converted. It's like having best of both worlds. Now before you go ahead and click the migration button, let's set up for the success. The golden rule, always test on a staging site first. And if you are using a reputed hosting provider, then most of the hosts offer one-click staging option. So first, go ahead and clone your live website on a staging server, run the migration there, and verify everything before touching the production site. After that, make sure you create a full backup of your Divi 4 site. Your database, uploads, themes, plugins, everything included. Once again, if you are using a reputed hosting provider like SiteGround, you have an inbuilt backup system. Or you can also use trusted plugins. All the details will be linked in the video description. Also update all the plugins and extensions for their latest version. If you are using a child theme with custom PHP, double check for Divi 4 specific APIs. Make a list of all your third-party modules and check with developers for Divi 5 compatibility. A little preparation now saves big headaches later. If you are ready to migrate, here is the step-by-step process. First, log in into your Elegant Themes member dashboard and download the latest Divi 5 beta theme file. Then on the staging site, go to Appearance, click on Themes and click on Add New and go ahead and upload the theme that we have just downloaded. Once you activate the theme, head to the WordPress dashboard and go to Divi menu, and there you will see a shiny new option says Divi 5 Migrator. Just click on it and the system automatically kicks off a full compatibility scan across your website. No guesswork, just clear actionable data. Now once the scan is done, you will get a detailed compatibility report covering 9 key areas. Your pages, posts, custom post types, theme builder templates, WooCommerce products, Divi library items, widget and presets. The blue check mark you see here means full Divi 5 native support, which is fast and optimized. Orange warning flags are items with unsupported modules that's going to run in a backward compatibility mode. Review this report very carefully. It tells you exactly what's ready and what needs third-party updates. Use it to plan your migration timeline and reach out to extension developer if needed. Now if you are convinced everything looks good, then go ahead and click on the big shiny button, Migrate this site to Divi 5 Beta, and then click on Confirm. For a small business website, migration process will finish in just a few seconds. For a larger site with tons of content, might take 1 or 2 minutes. And during this process, the system converts supported module to Divi 5 and wraps the unsupported ones into a backward compatibility mode. And when it's done, you will see a Welcome to Divi 5 card. If there is still uncompatible module, you will get a button to recheck compatibility layer. And if something goes wrong, there is one-click restore to Divi 4. So your site is live on Divi 5, but some pages show a backward compatibility mode label banner on the top. So don't panic. This just means that those pages are loading with Divi 4 framework to support the legacy modules. Your site still works perfectly, same look, same functionality, but those pages won't get Divi 5 full speed boost until all modules are native. In Divi 5 Visual Builder, some Divi 5 features might be limited on legacy module, but core editing stays intact. The banner is going to disappear automatically as the developer releases the Divi 5 compatible update. It's a temporary bridge, not the roadblock. Now, timing is everything. For new sites, migrate immediately. Divi 5 is faster, smoother, and future-proof, and there is no reason to start with Divi 4. It's about preparation and timing. If you are using most core modules and a very few popular extensions, and the compatibility report shows most blue check marks, you are golden. But if you are in the middle of launch, holiday rush, or high traffic season, then it's recommended that you wait until things calm down. The longer you wait, the smoother your migration will be. Now, the migration to Divi 5 beta isn't just an update. It's a leap into the future of WordPress design. With smart Migrator, bulletproof backward compatibility, and rollback safety net, there has never been a safer time to evolve. Download beta, spin up a staging site, run the Migrator, and feel the difference. The future is ready. Are you? So go ahead and start your migration today and check out our blog post for even more tips and tricks. And if you like this video, then make sure you give it a like and share it with your friends and community. And for more WordPress and Divi updates, make sure you subscribe to this channel and hit the notification bell so that you can get notified whenever we upload our next video. That's it for this one, and I'll see you in the next video.